We really haven't planned anything. We've just checked into our accommodation here. We've got a beautiful view over the mountains. We've just found out that all the tours are booked out of this place. We can't do any of the tours we wanted to do, so we're going to do some biking. We've literally got one day and we fly out the next day, so we're going to try show you as much as we can of Chiang Mai in 48 hours. Let's do it. Hello.
So I need 2 packs, right?
Ah, this one. Yeah. Okay. We got the cheaper ones. Scoopy eye.
Yeah.
Cool.
So I need 2 packs, right?
Speedo looks beautiful.
This is the kind of helmet that like you actually need.
Yeah, with the front visor.
The ones that we use in Hanoi, like they don't really protect you at all.
Okay, so we're just renting our bikes, and they're about 250 baht each for the day. So very cheap. Tours here were quite expensive, around like $50. So we're just gonna go off into the mountains away from Chiang Mai. Yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we just on the outside of Chiang Mai. We just missed our turn off to go to the mountains. We just got pulled over by some very scammy police officers. Didn't want to film them because I didn't want to aggravate anyone. But basically, yeah, they will give you a fine of, they say 1,000 baht if you don't have an international driver's license. After some arguments, they discounted our fee to 500 baht each, and there's really no arguing with them. They threaten to throw you in jail for a month, and yeah, it sucks, but it's the way they do things here. Okay, so we hope that we don't get pulled over by any more police on the way back. So yeah, a little bit of a rocky start, but hopefully we get to some waterfalls soon. Whoa. Waterfall's just getting bigger and bigger.
I don't want to touch him.
No? Oh, you want real food? We're biking up the mountain and we're nearly there. It's been a beautiful bike ride so far, so we'll see you at the top.
This one is precious. I like this one the best.
Hey, cat. Whoa. She's hunting. Oh. should we call him? We found this awesome little coffee place.
If I sit on this, it's gonna break.
Maybe. It's overlooking the view and it is amazing. It's really, really cool. Its temperature's pretty cool here as well. It was really hot and sticky in Chiang Mai, so 2 spaghetti carbonaras on the way and some yummy coffees. We're just gonna sit back, relax and enjoy the view. Alright, so it's just started pouring it down with rain and the whole valley is misty now. So we're just gonna kick it here and wait for the rain to stop, I guess.
We got strawberries.
Strawberries.
Dried strawberries.
Yum. Can you open them? Maybe not.
They're sealed.
Let's just have a look. They're like dried strawberries and the lady let us try them over there on the way back down the hill. And these are really, really delicious.
They're like, they taste like candy. They're like real sweet.
Sun's just come back out, but it was raining on the way down, so the roads were really wet. So FYI, if you're driving one of these things, they skid really easily. So yeah, have to take it slow on the way down the hills. So hopefully you guys have got some good budgeting tips and ideas out of this little trip, because budgeting, what? I'm gonna say budget 5 more times. Anyway, yeah, Chiang Mai has been an awesome little time, so keep following along on the YouTube channel. I've got lots more videos coming up from Southeast Asia travels. I'll leave you with our beautiful view from our little Airbnb here in central Chiang Mai.